Do you know that 85% of ChildPlus users feel like they are not using the system to its fullest potential and fear that issues with their setup are affecting their data? Let us help you. This week, we're dropping a new video each day that will show you some key areas to review. We'll show you what to look for and why it matters. My name is Tanissa Hicks, and today we're going to view areas located in agency configuration. From time to time, we see databases with multiple agencies. Unless you are a multiple grantee sharing one database or a grantee with multiple delegates, this is not something we recommend. Separating one grantee into multiple agencies eliminates the ability to transfer participants from one site to another, as transfers aren't allowed between agencies. Participants will have to be dropped and re-enrolled at the other location. This can make it appear as if there was a lapse in enrollment and even affect calculations in health and education. If you are one grantee and do not have any delegate agencies, set up one agency. This one agency can have multiple sites, classrooms, and even multiple programs. Speaking of programs, let's check on yours now. Do you have separate programs for each option? Head Start, Early Head Start, State Preschool, etc. If so, you're on the right track. Each program will have a program term that represents the enrollment year. For those of you with many terms listed, consider inactivating older terms. This will provide shorter, easy-to-read lists for your staff when running reports and working with enrollment records. It also reduces the chances of adding a participant to the wrong term. Click on each of your program terms and look at your enrollment year. This should be the first date and last date that someone can attend class for the program year, and it should not span more than 12 months. Attendance can only be taken during the dates listed here. Starting your program too late or ending too early will impact your ability to keep accurate attendance records. Next, look at your poverty levels and make sure they're up to date. If you're not sure, click on this link to visit the Department of Health and Human Services website for the latest income guidelines. On our next tab, we want to make sure that classrooms are set up with the correct funding, dates, and more. The funding listed here is used to calculate percentages on a variety of ChildPlus reports, as well as vacancies. So, use this as a guideline when distributing your slots. Click on the classroom and review setup in each of the tabs found here. There are several fields that impact PIR calculations. Verify your program options, assign staff members, and verify the begin and end date for that classroom. Be sure to set up meal times for those of you planning to use the attendance scanning or the attendance app. If you identify issues during this review, we recommend making changes as you prepare for the upcoming program term to ensure a smooth process. Be on the lookout for more CP Checkup videos.